Hello everybody, it's just me here today. Mama and Papa and my Aunt Annie, they all had doctor's appointments. They just left a minute ago to go to all their doctor's appointments. But I'm gonna be making a Dave's honey butter recipe, and it's super simple. It's on the side of this box from Famous Dave's Cornbread, and I'm gonna be making the cornbread here in a minute too, but that'll be a separate video. But here's the honey butter. It's made to go on top of the cornbread. It's called Dave's Honey Butter, and you only need 2 ingredients. You need 1/4 a cup of clover honey, or really any honey, to be honest, but it says clover honey. And then you're gonna need 1/2 cup of butter, softened. So I have both of those here. I have 1/2 cup of butter, softened, and then 1/4 cup of honey. And the honey that I'm using is local honey from a local bee farmer. And here's the butter. I'm pretty sure this is margarine, but oh well. Y'all can use whatever type of butter that you like. And then you just mix them together. As far as I know, it says whip butter with honey until well mixed. Immediately after removing cornbread from oven, brush tops with honey butter. Serve warm. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix them together now. Well, I guess I'm gonna mix them in this cup. And then I'm just gonna pour it in this is for storage. It's got a lid on it, so that way we can put it in the fridge and keep it for later. But this is 1 full stick of butter, which is exactly 1/2 cup, softened. Then this is the 1/4 cup of honey, and then I'm gonna pour it on top, and then I'm gonna mix it all in. And this is probably the best honey there is. It's fresh bee honey from a local farmer. I think he lives probably maybe 2 or 3 miles from here, the guy who made it. If it's the person that I'm thinking of. There's actually a few people around here that makes honey. But there's that. Now I'm gonna try to mix it all in. Should have got a smaller spoon for mixing. And plus it's really hard to do over top of the camera. But you gotta make sure that the butter is softened. And it was frozen when I got it, so I just put it in the microwave for probably 10 seconds at a time. Checked it after every 10 seconds. And then you could put it on a toast, you could put it on anything you want to put it on. But it's actually made to go on top of the cornbread. Now I'm not sure if I should add this video to the cornbread video and just make it one video, or if I should make the cornbread video separate. Oh no, it doesn't look right to me. It kind of looks like it should be heated up or something. Because it doesn't look like it's mixing very well at all. I'll just keep folding it in, tossing it in. It looks as pretty as mixed as it can get, if you ask me. And this is what it looks like. Just a really fast, really easy, simple recipe. I'm really not sure if it needs heated up or not. I don't want to try to heat it up and ruin it, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in here. And this is just to store it. And instead of making them one video, I guess I'll make them separate videos, but I'm gonna upload them both like back to back at the same time. So if you see this video up, then the cornbread video that goes with it, which is this, is also going to be up at the same time. So make sure to go check out the cornbread video too. And I guess that's all for this one. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Hope y'all enjoy some honey butter. Love y'all.